Alright guys, so I brought you to this fast food Mexican restaurant that has a drive-thru, which is convenient. It's over here in Aurora off of Smoky Hill in Orchard. I'm here for 3 burritos I always get. They're very good. You have to try. If you're in a hurry, drive-thru is convenient. Let's go ahead and check them out and I'll show you them. Alright guys, so this is the breakfast burrito. They're pretty big and thick, so that it's not like a fast food, you're just going to get something. It has egg, potatoes, cheese, and bacon is what I got. So it's pretty simple, nothing crazy. Now I can't even wrap it up now. Show you my burrito wrapping skills here. They also give you sauces. The green and the red. I don't think they're very hot. They're just giving it flavor. But I'm not going to put any on it because it gets soggy because I'm not going to eat all this food right now. Bacon is crunchy. Potatoes are potatoes. And cheese and the egg is cooked good. So typical breakfast burrito. Alright guys, so I have the Colorado burrito. This one's pretty big because it has a lot of stuff inside of it. So let me unwrap it and show you. Looks like it has fries, guac, steak, pico, and I'm going to put some chili in this one. Oh, I should have opened this before, and of course it's all over. Gonna put this for now just so I could taste it for you guys. I recommend don't doing this in the car. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay. Alright, I'm gonna try this big old thing. Again, it's very big. Steak is perfect. Pico, the fries make it a little guac. Again, the chili gives it the flavor. This is a perfect on-the-go burrito to go. This is one of my favorites. And I'll show you my other favorite too. Alright guys, so this is my favorite burrito that I always get. It's the Carne asada burrito. It's kind of like the Colorado, but it has no fries in it. So it's pretty medium size, thick. Here's the inside of it. Guac, steak, pico. That's pretty much it. But here's a twist that I do, because if you haven't already noticed, I like food that's very spicy. So I always order, oh, they didn't get it me this time, but they gave me jalapenos. I like to eat jalapenos, but normally I ask for grilled jalapenos. You heard me in the drive-thru, that's what I ordered, but I didn't get it, but that's okay. Jalapenos will still work. It's the same thing, but I do eat them with my burrito. And they normally never get my order wrong, but miscommunication, I guess. Again, same thing, steak, pico, guac. It was good. It was great. Since they didn't give me grilled jalapenos, I always put them on top and then I eat it. I'm gonna have to get me some salsa inside because I love hot food. I don't know. Alright. at one of my favorite places to have a smoothie. I'm at Blendz. They have 12 locations. I am at the one in Parker, just off of Lincoln. I just found out that they have a few locations in Minnesota, as well as one in Ohio. If you're looking for something healthy, they have it. Also too, you can add in supplements. I can't wait to show you guys. Here. I am at one of my favorite local spots, Yolanda's. They have 2 locations in Colorado, one in Castle Rock and one at the one we're here in Greenwood Village. They like to keep it simple and it's Mexican food. They have from tacos, tostadas, taco salad, burritos, and my favorite, nachos. They also have 13 types of meat to choose from, as well as 7 salsa types from mild to Diablo. We're here to try the nachos, the carnita nachos, and street tacos. Carnita nachos. They have the cilantro, looks like tomatoes, onions. They have the queso with the carnitas and beans. I also got habanero because I love hot food. So we could just put it all over. Alright, I'm just gonna do that one for now. I normally do 2 because I like it really hot, but let's just try it. So many flavors. The queso is perfect, it's creamy. The beans are perfect. The onions, the meat is so tender. You just all mix this together. The habanero is hot, so if you want something milder, you'd want to get mild, but it's really good. Guys, so I have the tacos. I got 2 of them. You can pick how many tacos you want. It's the steak tacos. It looks like it has some cheese in it, the white cheese, cilantro, lettuce, and a tomato. Also too, they always come with a side of chips, like a chips and salsa kind of thing. So again, habanero. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. Alright guys, so I don't like tomatoes on mine, so I'm gonna take that off. Alright, let's take a look. The steak is not big and chunky, where you're trying to chew it up. Small and perfect amount. The cheese is different. I like it though. It gives it the flavor, the cilantro, and especially the habanero. Puts it all together, is amazing. I'm here at Dion's Pizza. It's a New Mexico pizza chain. They have 2 locations in Colorado, 7 in New Mexico, and 1 in Texas. They have amazing pizza, and they're known for green chili on top of it, as well as the salads are to die for. I can't wait to show you. Let's go. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you what the pizza looks like before we take it home. So this is the special. It looks like it has pepperoni, ham, sausage, green chili, and mushrooms and olives. All that great stuff. And then if I can close it. Alright guys, so this is the 505. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. It's half and half because some of us don't like the green chili. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it because this is my favorite. It just like falls off. It's so hot. Again, the green chili is not hot. It's so fresh. Oh my god. They literally make it fresh. It's not preheated or anything like that. It's amazing inside. The crust is crunchy. It's not all soggy. The crust is my favorite part, as well as the green chilies. Also too, we got a tossed salad. It has cucumbers, croutons, tomatoes, and then the salad. And I think they have bell peppers as well in it. It's pretty good. And they're famously ranch. Oh my goodness, you can die for this ranch. It does not taste like any ranch I've ever had. Makes the salad amazing. Alright guys, thank you so much for coming along with me. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also leave me some comments and let me know what restaurants you like and I can try out. Catch you next time.